Okay, so next is line equation from points graphically. So our directions say graph the line that passes through the points 3, -2, and 3, 1, and determine the equation of the line. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just plot those points. So 3 on my x, -2, plot the point, and 3, 1. Woo! Okay, so first of all, I have a vertical line. I know that that is not a function, okay, but I also can tell, hey, every point on this line has an x coordinate of 3. Well, that tells me that I can just type x equals 3 into my answer. And they like it. Let's do another problem. Let's see if we can find one that's maybe a little harder. So graph the line that passes through the points 8, 0, and 2, 6. Right here, and determine the equation of the line. Well, it looks like we could figure this out in slope-intercept form pretty easily. My y-intercept is at 8, and it looks like I have a slope of -1. So -1x plus 8. Cool. And they show us our slope triangle too. Let's do one more. 4, -6, and -4, -8. All right, so let's see here. I've got a y-intercept right there at -7, so I've got y equals, it looks like my slope is up 1 over 4, up 1 over 4, so 1 over 4, arrow to the right, x minus 7. Should give me my equation in slope-intercept form. Cool, and they liked it. All right.